The ride was long and bumpy, winding roads, pine-covered valleys, and the Marsyangdi River flowing alongside. After a 6-hour off-road drive from Besisahar, I finally reached Chame. I could have continued by jeep all the way to Manang, but like most trekkers, I chose to start my trek to Thorong Pass right here in Chame. At an elevation of 2650 meters, it is ideally placed for acclimatization. On the outskirts of this village stands a unique Buddhist memorial that symbolizes protection and safe passage. And of course, this unique hot water springs. It is more developed than other nearby villages along the trek. Apart from the sounds of river, you get stunning views of Annapurna II and Lamjung Himal towering above this valley. There are a variety of small shops along the main trail. They carry snacks, trekking gear, medicines, and hygiene products.
मैं जम्बाला होटल से हूँ। ये जम्बाला होटल चामे में बिलोंग करता है, मनांग, और ये अपना हाइट है 2790 मीटर एबव सी लेवल से। तो आप मैं आपको होटल का डाइनिंग दिखा रहा हूँ। ये आपका डाइनिंग हॉल है, ये छोटा सा डाइनिंग हॉल है। और ये आपको 2 बेड मिलेगा और अटैच बाथरूम इज अवेलेबल। सो आपको हॉट वाटर भी यहाँ पर मिलेगा। तो ये रूम का प्राइस की बात करें तो 1000 पड़ेगा ओनली।
I walked from there, came across the suspension bridge and came here. And now this is the hot water spring of Chame. Day number 2. I am at Chame, left from Chame, went to hot water spring. Now I'll head towards Besisahar, and I think it should take minimum 8 to 12 hours for me. So I'm slow and I have 12 kilos weight on me.